Today we are making samples of the car refrigerators for our customers. First, fix the customer's mold in place. The customer first makes a sample with wood, and then customizes an aluminum mold that can open and close automatically later. Fix the car refrigerator in the mold. Check. Adjust the pressure. Start injecting materials. After the injection is completed, seal the mold and wait for 15 minutes. Foaming complete demolding. The insulation layer of the car refrigerator has been successfully formed.